I don't know if you can hear me right now, but today we're going to be playing Souls RNG. I've been playing Souls RNG for a time now. I've just figured out same thing. I'm not fully new to the game, but I've definitely spent more work on it. But I want them there. But I'm pretty sure there's a secret area where you can go in there if you have Zeus. Hey, now let me hear an area where it's supposed to like it said coming soon, But I'm pretty sure with Zeus the ability when you chuck your lightning it put you up in the air. So I'm pretty sure you can manage to go up in a secret area. I'm pretty sure. I haven't seen a video like this I just found this exploring. I am not new to the game. I'm pretty sure this is comment, but I put on comment on other stuff. I'm not using comment. You already know. That did not take long. This ladder and this like area.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's watermelon. Inside a watermelon.
as I'm and guys, almost a continuation of this video, like the next cut you see, because my phone is about to die, so I can't finish that the next cut, the next cut that you see, I will be up there. Guys, as I said in the last clip, as I said, in the last clip, I got this one. I was saying things to the final conclusion. So you guys already, so you guys know it. Bro, I think you can two watermelons, two solid. I don't know, up here. Because I think that if you have Zeus, yeah, he's gonna be Zeus, up here, so I just come into the area, There's a matter of different but that's all I want to focus on. And I don't progress on Solarity. I'm pretty sure one I still had the exotic wallet. I got a galaxy from AFK. I got a galaxy. No, I started cutscene because I was there for this I wasn't there for. Only for after that one time in the galaxy started so I was this. That was not better. My friend is too lucky. Got only 30 million and only 2k runs. So my goal is to get something better than 30 million. So they were flying that thing. I think all the other was Imperial Raw 30, I paid a Raw 35 million. But until all I need to do is complete this season. This game is not very good. I have never gotten one for my team in my whole career. This is the first time I have completed 23. I think focus on my improvement focus. For the living my life. When I'm not going to talk about it, my life. And I'm looking at that game. I'm hot jumping in my life. Before like more galactic units, no gravitational device. No, not before that. Because we're preventing our gravitational from the potions. That's what we next do. You see in the galactic units are if we get the spot in gravitational I'm never saying that. Someone else is. I'm ready. Let's go. So, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoy. Peace.